Hi there, 8th graders. Today is lesson 28, scientific notation for large numbers. Objectives is to write numbers in scientific notation using that powers of tens can be used to indicate place values. Write numbers in scientific notation using words. Use calculator to demonstrate scientific notation. At this point in the video, you can pause and do your power up to get your mind cleared in on math. Vocab, coefficient is a method. If writing a number as a decimal number times a power of 10. Scientific notation is written with one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal point. So, Earth's average distance from the sun is 93 million miles. Write 93,000 miles in scientific notation. I am guessing what that is supposed to say. Okay. So, first off, what is scientific notation? We just went through it. Okay, so scientific notation. You're going to want to write it. When you're writing in scientific notation, you want to put the decimal in between here. So we'd have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'd have 9.3 times 10 to the 7th power. That would be scientific notation here. 7 being how many spots I moved it decimal place. If you multiply it by 10, that's going to move it every time. When you are in scientific notation, you only want one number in front of your decimal place. Okay. When Bridget finished the 1,500 meter run, she announced that she had run 1.510 to the 16th millimeters. Write that number in scientific notation. Okay. To write that number in scientific notation, you would just have to change that into millimeters. So she said 1.5 times 10 to the 16th milliliters. Okay. So, first off, to write that in scientific notation, we started out in meters. So how much would you have to times to get to milliliters? You'd have to take it times 1,000, which, if you take it times 1,000, is going to add 3 zeros to it. Okay? To write in scientific notation, once again, I need my decimal point here. We were right here, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'd have 1.5 times 10 to the 6th, which is exactly what she said. Now, so the power part B, and then in B, in standard form. Standard form, you would have to multiply that by or you have to multiply it out. Well, actually, we've already wrote standard form to find this in regular form, which would have been 1,000 or 1,500,000 So it'd be 1,500,000 milliliters. Okay, at this point you can do your written practice. Like I always tell you, if you're at home, you can come and ask me these or check these when you get back so that you get them correct in your homework because they are graded. There is your homework.